Hey, welcome back to Coco's room. And today I got Del Taco. We just about to get into it because I'm hungry. I just got off work, you know what I'm saying? Representing. Got a avocado, bacon, chicken. I don't smell right. Salad. And let's see. Got a little salt and pepper right here. You know what I'm saying? I got my own dressing, some ranch. They give you something, but oh, got some fries. I love Del Taco fries. They're good. They don't season them well enough, but you gotta get your own little seasoning on there, you know what I'm saying? Put some onion powder on there, some salt. Pepper. Like pepper too. Got some ranch. They gave me some pico. Some pico. Look at this little thing of pico for this salad. Stingy. Stingy. I can only put it. That's horrible. That is really horrible. They lucky I'm hungry. A little bit of pico. Come on now. I asked for it on the side because usually when they put it on the salad, it makes it real wet. They give you, I don't know what dressing this is. No. No, ma'am. That don't even smell right. That do not smell right. This ranch smell right though. Ow! Drop my damn fork. Don't worry about it. It's clean. It's clean. It's clean. I live here. I live here. Yes. Got the leftover ranch from Wingstop. They did not put my cheese on here. Oh, wow. That's cray-cray. They put my cheese on here? That's why you gotta check your stuff before you leave. And no matter how nice they are, they forgot my cheese. Damn. How do you forget the cheese though? It's all good. Let's get into this little salad though. I know salad's not something people really want to like watch somebody else eat, but Mm-hmm. Telling you, Wingstop ranch. Can't waste any out. And you'll talk, give me some brown lettuce. How dare they? Mm. Mm-hmm. French fries are so good. Love me some potatoes. Get that little extra seasoning on them, bruh. Mm. I wanted to do B-Love's challenge today, but I didn't feel like driving to Burger King. She did a double, triple, no, quadruple, double bacon cheeseburger from Burger King. That shit like bomb. Oh, I bit my lip out. That was too much meat. I can't. That is too much meat. Maybe 3 patties. Okay. Sometimes you can do 4 if it's like In-N-Out. In-N-Out's patties are freaking thin. But Burger King is kind of, oh, that hurt. Burger King's patties kind of thick with it. Also, I was just able to buy B-Love Smackalicious sauce. So I'm gonna try to do I am. When I get it, it takes a while. I don't know why it takes so long. It won't be here till like almost Christmas, but I'm gonna do that seafood boil for y'all. For real. I'm gonna hook it up. Bit my lip again, y'all. I'm hungry. I ain't slow down. Go for it. Where's the chicken? Is this the chicken? Man, that chicken is soft. Hey. Get a little crunch. A little consistency right here. Avocado. I don't even eat this half of the salad. I don't got no more dressing. What if I did have my own dressing and this is what they gave me? Get out of here. I don't know what that looked like. It's not the right color of green. It looks like green that's been sitting for some while. They hooked it up in the avocado though. They got one thing right. Let me try this chicken again. Oh. Ah! Hey. Yeah, that chicken is so salty. We got Pellegrino on deck again. Y'all know I love me some Pellegrino. Blood orange. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry. Mmm. I'm just happy. I'm happy to be making a video for y'all. You know what I'm saying? You be tired afterwards sometimes. This is hard work. It's hard work. Believe me. All the great ones that are out there doing it. Big love, of course. Steven Sushi, my dude. Quan Tran. Boy could cook. Go check all them out if y'all don't know who they are. I started watching a new cat. His name's Vartan Fresh. He be going in. Of course, the Batty Twins. Batty Twins. Batty Twins. They be cracking me up. They're twin brothers. Excuse me. I'm eating too fast, that's why. Woo! Wish I had some more dressing. The fuck? I got some, but I need it for my french fries. I don't even got that much. Look how they do me. One thing I hate about fries, not these, but like In-N-Out fries. As soon as you leave the, excuse me. As soon as you leave In-N-Out, they cold. They're not bad, but you can't eat those fries. They just get a little bit cold. Nope. Yeah, eat them bad boys fresh. Woo! Good thing this ain't the no wipe challenge. I can't do that. I'm over here making a mess. Can't believe I'm full. I gotta train my stomach. So good. Ooh, oh, I got some dessert before I sign off on y'all. Looks like an egg roll, huh? It's a yeah, I bought it. I don't even know what I bought. Caramel cheesecake bite, I think. We're gonna bite it and see what it was. Ooh. Caramely. Sweet. Alright. I see the cheese. I don't taste it. A lot of bread. Let me get a better bite. Let me get a. Oh, let me take this off. Here we go. That's that real bite right there, bruh. Mm-hmm. 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 That was all caramel. Too sweet. I need to clean up. Woo! All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick little video, not even quick. 16 minutes down. Seemed like it was going faster. But I'm trying to make another video tomorrow. I'm out. Touch game.